Hello guys, we're gonna fix a 2011 Town and Country rear AC, which is not working. It's just blowing hot air. So first thing you gotta do is you gotta remove this panel right here. And in order to do that, you gotta pull this rubber thingy up like so. And also you're gonna need a flat screwdriver, which you're gonna pop these two tabs like this. You're gonna have one over here. Yep, right here. And you're gonna have another one over here. So then you're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver, which is the most recommendable. In my case, I just use a drill. It's not recommendable to use a drill because you can strip the screw. So there's gonna be two screws right there. After that, you're just gonna pop it. You're just gonna pull it down carefully, even and carefully, because it's got like a clamps. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clamps. No, 4. Yeah. So then, after you do that, you're gonna have to take this panel from here, which is this one right here. This goes like so, like this. This goes like that. Yep, goes like that. So this panel goes like that, and that's gonna have two little thingies, one here and one here. And for that, you're gonna need a flat screwdriver, flathead. I lie. Sorry, you're gonna need something like this. Where are my pliers? Keepers. Okay. For that, you're gonna need something like this. So when you pop them, you're gonna go like this. Let me show you. Those are like this, guys, right here. So when you pull them out, be careful and not tie these pliers too much, because it could cut them, literally. If you do end up cutting them, you can find some AutoSun. So after you do that, you gotta take this guy out. You gotta take this guy out from here. Alright? Which I used this guy. He wasn't a big deal. That's like a 19, I guess. No, I'm not gonna guess. I'm gonna tell you right now which one it is. It is. Nope, it's not 19. So appears I don't have that one, so it's probably gonna be 20. Not 20, there's not 20. You can actually use the 7/8. It's a little big. No, it's not. Nope, don't use that one. So anyways, just don't break your head. Just use this guy right here. It's pretty easy. So this is a funny thing. This is funny because the way you take this plastic off, you literally gonna pull it down, all the way down, this plastic, and then pull it up from here. I can't show you right now because I'm only got holding the front. So pull it down and pull it up like this, and it'll move up like this, like so. So yeah, after that, you're gonna have one screw, Phillips screw, two Phillips screws right there. And there is gonna be another one. So 3 right there. Okay, so then what you're gonna do next, you're gonna take this guy. This guy's kind of tricky because it's got 2 tops over here. I mean, this guy's over here. And then there's no screws on this one. I want to let you know. 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically, you take out this end first, and this here, and you're gonna pull it out. But make sure you pull it out even. Pull it off even, so you don't break those guys right there. So after that, that's the only thing I did. I didn't really do much. Don't like a long work, you know. But so you're gonna unplug your flashlight, which is this one right here. Okay, this goes right in here, right there. In order to do that, you gotta push this button. It's gonna be a little hard, but it's a rainy day over here in Nebraska. So push this button like this and pull it out, and that's it. That's all you do. I want to let you know that this scrap is gonna be dirty. No, depends where you leave though. So, alright, sorry I dropped the phone. Now the next thing you gotta do is you're gonna remove 3 screws, which are a 10 millimeter, and you're gonna need a ratchet with a little extension. I'm saying you're gonna need a little extension because this right here, this is gonna be 1, and this is where you're gonna need the extension because there's no room in there. So this is gonna be a 10. So there's a 10. Where is it? Oh, right. Oh, where's it? Jeez. Can never do something. Okay. So 10 millimeters, and you're gonna need one of this too if you want. I use this one for the other screw right here. So that's 2, and there's gonna be another one. The one that might give you trouble, which is gonna be the one that has the water hose right there. It's a bracket right there. So if you don't do that one, you're not gonna be able to move this guy, the blower with the entire thingy. So once you do that one, you're gonna have full access to the panel back there, and I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. I hope I can because I only got one hand. So yeah, so here we go. I'm gonna tell you that once you pull this guy right here, I'm gonna leave it last because the bent plastic, the bent duct might fall on top of you, so you gotta be careful. You gotta take this guy all the way out. You gotta take all the way out this guy. So once you do that, you're gonna pull it towards you, and it might fall. Just gonna have to be careful. There it is. So that's the way it comes out. So I got one piece out. So yeah, so that's the way you do it. So the one, it's gonna be that one right there. Alright, there's another one, just identical. So the one on the bottom is the one you want to get. So if I was you, I would just buy both of them, which is the same. Two of the same ones. Just replace them. And to do that, you're gonna have to get torque right here, and there's the other ones right here. That's gonna be, you're gonna have to have a little, you have to have some kind of skills to bend and reach down there. And this is my thing that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna be using, I don't know what size is this, but I just use the one that fits in there. Can't even see, this thing's all rusted. I think this is 115. 115 is the measurement. One. All I can see is one. Alright guys, so I think that's pretty much it. It took me about 10 minutes. It depends on your skills, I guess. So it depends. If you're handy, you probably can do it. So can't even see the number, but I believe it's 115 torques. So that's about it. And as you can see, you don't even need to pull it down all the way. So just right there where your hand fits down in there. Make sure you don't lose the screws, because you'll be screwed literally. Or don't drop nothing in there, because you're gonna end up taking the entire thing if you don't want that. Although I don't think it's really hard to do it, but you just don't do it, you know what I mean? So like, as you can see, I didn't really take much. It took me a little, like 10 minutes, but it might take you up to an hour, like I said. Alright guys, well thank you very much for watching. Alright, any questions, just let me know. My car is all dusty because I live it up in the country in Nebraska, so yeah. Alright guys, thank you, bye, see you, peace out.